I've learned there are 10 things that come between you and a brilliant life and a thriving business, and I feel it is really important to share. The first one is having unfinished business. Free yourself from the past by identifying and cleaning up your unfinished business. Remember the 3 Ds, either dump it, delete it, or do it. The choice is yours. Ignoring the present. Today is the result of all the todays that have come before it. Number 3, not having priorities. Never trade what you want at the moment for what you want most. Number 4, betraying yourself. Telling lies to yourself is the most hurtful form of deceit. Number 5, people pleasing. Free yourself by learning to quietly assert your boundaries. Number 6, accepting energy drainers. Choose to put life into your schedule. Number 7, having a PMA, a positive mental attitude. Act positive whether you feel it or not. Number 8, having low reserves. Without reserves to back you up, you will always be making decisions based on lack. Number 7, hiding your weaknesses. Let your weaknesses help you be more truthful and appreciate where you need to build more skills. And number 10, wishing instead of planning. Start now. Do something. Set your goals, list your action steps, and start.